Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I have an update for the deck of panning. Slightly belated, as it oftentimes is. I'm filming this on the 22nd. Tomorrow is my upload day again, so it's gonna go up on the 23rd. You might be watching this on the 23rd. This project was started by Emily, and we're using a deck of cards, as you may have seen in my thumbnail. That will be linked to different prompts, and there is this board that changes up every time, and we end up with a prompt that we're trying to link a product to. I'm currently working on 8 products because I've been doing this project Emily style, and I've been rolling something new in every single time. One time I had to roll 2 in because I got the prompt to pick an extra card, which basically meant 2 extra prompts. Yeah, and I haven't been able to roll out a whole lot yet. But this time I'm hoping I can stick to the 8 products that I have right now, or not the exact 8, because I'm rolling one out, but hopefully I won't get more than 8. Is what I'm trying to say. Anyway, let's jump in, starting off with the L'Oreal Glam Bronze Trio. I'm trying to remember whether last time I already finished off that last little bit of blush in here or not, but you can clearly see that there is not loads left of that highlighter anymore, so we're working our way towards just using the bronzer, and I'm still working on another bronzer in this project, so let's see how we can work that out. I also put one in my Graveyard project pen, also one of Emily's projects. So yeah, I've been overdoing it a little bit on the bronzer in comparison to how much I actually use bronzers, but that's the progress that I've made on that one. I've used this one 18 times since last time. Why only 18? I traveled once again. I was in Skopje for a week, I was in Dublin for a couple of days, and I went to Disneyland. I think that all happened in the last month, really? I don't know. Anyway, I don't bring this whole thing with me when I'm traveling because it's just too much. That's basically what I'm trying to say. 18 uses bring me to a total of 124. And I don't think this is going to be done by the end of the year, considering we're already halfway through, more than halfway through. Okay, next I've got everything stacked on top of the next product that I want to show you. I have my bronzer in the Sephora palette, one that I thought would be a really easy one to get done. I have used this an additional 18 times, and my only goal is to hit pan. Is there pan? Nope. So we're gonna keep working on this. I've got 114 uses on this tiny pen. At least I thought it was tiny. I'm using this pretty much every time I'm using makeup. The first month I kind of had to get used to getting it into my routine, but since then, as long as I'm not traveling, I'm kind of contouring with this. My blush looks a bit too much in the viewfinder. I hope that's not the case when you guys watch this. There definitely is a dip in here. But no pen. So we're going to keep working on it, and hopefully I can actually start working on some other bronzers soon. Anyway, next we have the Revlon blush. This one is one of the products that I have the most of. Blushes I have too many of, eyeshadows I have too many of. The rest is all pretty manageable, so I decided to go with blush because I already have too many eyeshadows in projects, and I've used this 5 more times over the last month. Bring me to a total of 20, and I have a usage goal on this one of 30. So probably 2 more months, because I want to make proper progress on my blush in my palette as well, for this one to roll out. Then we have my Catrice lip polish, pout polish, whatever they call this. I have used this 10 times since last time, and I definitely feel like there's less in here at this point, which of course I've used it 10 times, so there is less in here. But I can see the difference now. I feel like with the first 20 uses, it kind of kept smoothing out and the middle was still kind of covered. And right now the middle is not anymore, which you can probably see better in the close-up. There might be a possibility for me to finish this one off, although I've been wearing a lot of more cooler toned eye looks because of a shadow that I tried to hit pan in my Pendos eyeshadows. So I did not use this as much as I would normally do because I've been going slightly more cool tone with my lips as well, because I did not want bright red lips with a cool toned eye look. Just not, yeah, what I wanted to go for. Let's see, 10 more uses, 30 in total. So let's see if with another 15 to 20 uses I can finish that maybe off. That would be good. Then my L'Oreal lip duo, the Infallible, Long-Lasting, whatever. I have not used this since last time because I'm really trying to focus in on another lipstick. Plus this one is a bit of a hassle to use because it tends to crumble a little bit if I put too much on. So I tend to only wear this when I'm at home, which is most of the time anyway, since I work from home most of the days of the week. But still, main focus has been going through another lipstick that's getting pretty close to being done. So maybe this one is next. And I will only be using this one at home, as I said. So I had 6 uses on that one, and I still have 6 uses on that one. Then we have Maxfactor lipstick. This one I'm using as a cream blush at the moment. And I feel like I'm making pretty okay progress on this one. I have not marked it yet, but I'm expecting there to be like a significant enough mark to be made. This one is more creamy than the lipstick I was using as a cream blush before. It's just not really a color that I like on my lips very much. So this is a really great way to finish it. I have it on pretty much every day. And this one did travel with me most of the time. So this one I have used 24 times since my last update, bringing me to a total of 62 uses. And yeah, I'm pretty happy with the progress that I managed to make. Like, it was a complete lipstick when I rolled this in. I think it's been in here for 3 months now, and it's moving. It might not be completely done by the end of the year, but we're making nice progress, and that's what counts. Maybe if I'm really close towards the end of the year, I might use it on my lips a couple of times just to get it out. Maybe combine it with like a warmer lip gloss or something, we'll see. Then, the most exciting one, well, like I've got nice progress on some other things, but this one, the Charlotte Tilbury powder, is completely empty. What you see here is just kind of like a little bit of buildup that's just there from usage. I had repressed this last time and now I've used it up. It took me another 21 uses to get through this completely, bring me to a total of 39 for me to be able to finish it up in this project. But it already was like gone for a big part when I rolled this in 2 months ago, and I'm happy to be able to roll something out. So that's good. We're doing it. And then lastly, this one I rolled in last time. I had like a usage goal on something, randomized the usage goal, ended up with 10 uses that I had to make on this ILIA lip gloss, not lip gloss, balmy gloss, tinted lip oil. I'm wearing it on top of my Yves Saint Laurent lipstick right now, so that lipstick is like a bright orange, but with this one on top, it's more like a bright, slightly warm leaning pink, which works a lot better with the cool toned eyeshadow that I've got going on, because my pen is eyeshadow. So yeah, it's been great for that. I've worn it a good few times because I wanted something more cool toned, and this was a great way to either tone the orangeness of the lipstick down or just wear it on its own when I just wanted something quick and simple. So I've used this 7 times over the last month. We're not at 10 yet, but we're definitely going to get to 10 by next time. So 8 products, going down to 7. This one will be rolling out next time for sure. And I'm hoping that this one might as well. And I'm definitely hoping the bronzer as well, but let's see. I don't have full faith in that one yet. But yeah, time to pull in a new product. So we're gonna shuffle my deck of cards a little bit, then split the deck and see what we're ending up with without throwing anything on the floor. Okay, so this is the 2 of diamonds. The 2 of diamonds. I can speak cards. Okay, so the 2 of diamonds, I accidentally put it back in, but we've all seen it. So let me quickly grab my laptop and see what that is. Okay, so the 2 of diamonds is indie. That's a very interesting one. I haven't bought any makeup in like the last, I don't know how long, except for things that I'm running out. So I don't think I have a lot of indie products. I'm gonna check. I might find something that you guys will tell me that is not actually indie at some point. Yeah, I'm gonna check, but I might have to reshuffle and get another card. I'll be back in a sec. Okay, no, I took a look at my collection and there's nothing in there that I can say for certain is like an indie brand. I've never particularly ordered anything from an indie brand because basically since I've started becoming aware of indie brands, I just haven't been buying makeup anymore. So yeah, we're gonna redo this because I have no idea. I will be filming my inventory. I still have to do that soon as well. You guys might end up seeing something that you know is indie, but I'm just not into that world very much. So, another one. Queen of Diamonds. So we're staying in the diamonds, and the Queen of Diamonds is... that works for me. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. I'm gonna look for something and then I'll be back. Okay, I was first looking at the list of products that I wanted to finish off this year, and everything that's on that list is already in the project. I was slightly considering choosing this one anyway, because that is on that list, but after 3 uses it will be rolling out of this project. But I just don't feel like double dipping for now on that one, so that one might show up again in some other project, some other point. So I had a little bit of a think, because this was one that kind of crossed my mind straight away already as well. The lighting is kind of washing it out. This is a lip balm from Rituals in Japanese mint, which is just like a minty standard lip balm. It's a really nice one. It's just the rolling system is a bit annoying because I have to roll it a lot for it to only move out a little bit. So rolling this all the way up is going to be a chore. Anyway, yeah, just double checking whether it was rolling back okay. Rolling this all the way up just to show you what is in here still. This was in my pocket, so hopefully it won't fall out. That is what we have in here still. Of course, I will mark it. I've already started using it. I think I'm like 1/5 or 1/4 through already. I'm just gonna keep turning. That mechanism is not working great. So yeah, I don't know how well you guys can see if I try to show you like that. But that's where I am on that one. You can kind of see how far it is back in the packaging. Yeah, I'm gonna try and finish this off, which technically is maybe not easy peasy lemon squeezy, as in this won't be done in a month from now, but it's one that I use every day, so it's gonna be easy enough for me to get through this at some point throughout the year. So I'm okay with this being in because I'm using it anyway, so easy peasy in that sense as well. I know I will have usage on it. It won't feel like a chore to use it. So yeah, that is it. I already told you what I'm hoping to finish by next time. We've got the ILIA lip gloss, the Catrice pout polish, and then the bronzer in here that I'm hoping to hit pan on. Apart from that, everything will probably still be here. Hoping to at least get some uses in on this guy as well, but yeah, we'll see. And that's it for today. Thank you guys very much for watching, and I hope to see you in one of my next videos. Bye bye!